Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. It's the first week of October, so we're going to be doing Oktoberfest is this month's, Cast Iron Challenge. I'm going to be doing something I've never made before. I'm going to be doing potato pancakes, which I found online. Actually, I was doing some research for this month, and I've set myself like 4 different links plus some recipes and everything else. So the month, if I plan it right, should work out pretty well. Anyway, let's get to it. Alrighty, so I was gonna do bangers and mash, but it doesn't fit in Oktoberfest. So I've got some beer bratwurst. I'm gonna do brats along with the pancakes. God, I can't talk. And then I'm gonna steam up a vegetable too, because this is actually dinner. All right. Pan's actually starting to smoke. What I want to do is I want to get these in the oven, and I want to get them in a pan and brown them. And then I want to put them in the oven and just finish them off. So they get like a nice even cook. I'm doing 2.5 because I'm basically going to make this tomorrow for dinner. Okay, so the directions that I was reading was very specific about making sure you drain these completely. Drain them, squeeze all these juice out of them. So you can just use your hand. Well. Okay, so while those are browning up, I got a potato here. I want to peel one spud. Or grate, excuse me. Oh, can't see that. Alright. I'm still waiting for my oven to heat up, but I'll give those a few minutes. Just adding some color to them. Alright. Put these in the oven. Okay, so the directions that I was reading was very specific about making sure you drain these completely. Drain them, squeeze all these juice out of them. So you can just use your hand. Well. You guys can see that okay. I do realize I'm draining right on top of some others, but I don't have to. So, look at this. Work on this off camera a bit. Alright. Get those in. Some garlic, usual seasonings, a little slap your mama. It didn't call for it, but I thought it'd be nice to add a little bit of Parmesan. And then I need a bigger kitchen. Add a little bit of flour. So And then it calls for 1 egg. I should. And stir. I'm really hoping I'm not forgetting an ingredient. I'm going to add some salt. Pan should be heating up nicely. That's kind of what it looks like. So let me get organized here and I'll. Alright, let's try frying one of these. Maybe I'll get 2 out of this. Like I said, I didn't make an entire batch because it's only me here, so. I want to make sure it's good and flat so it's not gonna, it will cook in the center. I'm just doing medium heat. I don't want to do too hot. So, alright, I just want to check the temperature on these. It might be done. Who knows? You know what? No, they're done. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the oven off. Just let them sit in there. Let's try flipping this guy. No, not very dark, is it? I didn't want to turn the heat up too high because I didn't want to have, didn't get too dark, but plus you want to cook the potato all the way through too, so. And I've got enough, probably won't be as big as this one, but I've got enough for one more, plus the brats, plus the broccoli. So I should be good for dinner. I just threw in like a little pat of butter. The butter will melt, add flavor to the party. That's hot. So use a towel. Flip it back over. Alright, still kind of light. I mean, you can definitely see some brownage though, so. Alright, go ahead and get these brats pulled out. Those look real good. Another flip. Yeah. You can probably hear that. Looks good. I think I would like the color a little bit more, but hey, you know, I think I'd rather have it less brown than too burnt. Burnt would be no bueno. Which way you gotta keep your cooking cloth. It's looking good though. Pretty happy with that. I just flipped it off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off. And get the next one in. Alright. Yeah, like I said, not nearly as big as the other one, but that's not a big deal. I'm putting a little bit more attention to the potato pancakes because they are the focus of the video, so that's why I'm not really showing the brats as much. Plus they're already cooked, and I already ate the half of one while I was waiting. So, I'm a little impatient. I want to try the potato cake. Plus, I grabbed myself a brat. I don't know why, for some reason I was pulling it out of the pan. And I was reminded of Lord of the Rings, the first one, when they were sitting there cooking sausages and whatnot. So here we go. Fully cooked. You know what? I like that. Yeah. I like that a lot. I did leave out the onion because they're the vilest of all weed. So, in other words, I just don't like onions, so I didn't put them in. Because really, why would I? Let me try that. Try a bite of that brat. If I can cut the damn thing. There we go. Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna finish up and go eat dinner. I've shown you guys broccoli a number of times, so no need to continue doing it. I'm gonna wait. Alrighty. So needless to say, clean plate. Those are really good. Very good. Wood neck again. In fact, I'm gonna make them tomorrow for dinner. Yeah, so the description in the end will have the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. I'll put last week's video in, which was Spam Timber. There'll be probably some other links there too. Video for how I clean my cast iron. And as always, have a great rest of your week. We'll catch you next one.